Oh man, it looks like I'm a little bit late. I did not get to dig through those and they're changing them out. Ooh, that is a pretty frame. Looks like that's cracked. Is that gonna look bad? Maybe I can just glue it. I love the linen. And look at the dark antique looking gold. All right, add to cart. What else we got in here? Oh, what? That is adorable. This bin just has a bunch of mugs. Oh wait, what's this? That's adorable. I feel like I've picked up this pattern before. Of course, the stickers covering up the maker's mark. I'm just gonna get it. It's blue and white and adorable. What's this? I really like the look of this. I'm not taking the time to read it right now, but it's cute. I like the colors. Add to cart. Here's some plates. I love this. Wouldn't this be adorable for Christmas? Stoneware made in Japan. Set of 4. And then look at these little ones. Different, oh, Homer Laughlin. Of course I love these. So different brands, but don't they look adorable together? Also with this one. But I really like these two patterns. I'm gonna get these two. Somebody just put this pink basket back. That is cute, but I don't need another pink basket. I found this little bear. I don't love the bear, but look at his sweater. Totally stealing it. Add to cart. Look at all the furniture. This is leather. $7.99. Gosh, this is really pretty. Cute little chair. $5.99. Oh, look at this display cabinet. $14.99. I love this. How you open the door? It's very narrow and I like how it has glass all the way around. Where could I put this in my house? I'm gonna think about it. Anybody need some gold chairs? Oh, I thought they swivel. They do not. What is this? Broken coffee table. Look at this giant headboard. Oh my gosh, is this a denim sectional? Okay, I think this is actually pretty cool. Even where it's worn, it just looks like worn denim. I love it. Where's the price? Where's the price? Do y'all see it? No, I just see all the signs. Maybe somebody's buying it. I see spindles. Look at all the spindles on this bed. $20. I like it, but do I want to deal with it? So I would cut the spindles off. I would keep these pieces of wood because look at this beautiful aged wood. This would be great candlesticks. So many things I could do with this. I'm gonna think about it. It all depends on the mood I'm in if I buy larger pieces. Oh wait, look at these beautiful pieces of wood. So when you're out thrifting, look for old wood. You can turn it into so many things. There's 2 of them. I don't know how much these are, but I would be interested in that as well. It doesn't look like it's the same wood as anything else in here, so it's probably sold by itself. So you want to look for real wood. Like this is no good. We don't want that. What is this giant box? That looks like some kind of bed frame. Looks like black upholstered. Oh yeah. I don't see a price anywhere on this one either, so maybe somebody already purchased it. All right, let me check this wall because they're probably going to change this one out next. I feel like this is a dud wall. I hardly ever find anything there, but I did find this plate. It is Johnson Brothers Ironstone. I really like this frame. It has antique gold. It has this linen mat with the brown. It is professionally framed, but that would still be easy to switch the picture out, but I would not change the mat. You'll see all the texture. So pretty. We're gonna add this to the cart. Oh shoot, I just noticed they refilled this side. Let's go dig. So they take the t-shirts and they put it around the glass. Oh my gosh. My mom had this in her bathroom. I like swans, but just not those kind. Halloween stuff. Lots of toys. Hangers. I'm gonna have to come back and dig on this side because now they refilled the other side as well. I haven't really found anything. Bunch of records. But I'm gonna do a haul after I dig. Ooh, I see some Christmas stuff if I can reach it. And some mouse traps. Oh my gosh, these are cute. There's 2 of them. Those are adorable. They're little bells. That's it. Just these 2. Alright, I know this isn't a broom. It's a baster. But I think I can turn this into a witch's broom for Halloween. Ooh, we got some more frames in this bin. This is a pretty frame. But not quite the right gold. I'm gonna pass on that. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. How did this survive the Goodwill Bins and not get messed up? Okay, I'm gonna get that. Oh man. Has some chips right here. This is a wood. That would have been pretty. I think these are just wood pieces. Yeah. And I don't see anything else I need in here. Is this blue and white lamp seriously just sitting here? That is so pretty. This is all that I found when they changed out the 2 walls. Not much. Can y'all see this painting? Actually, I think it's just a print, but it's really pretty. It has the texture of a painting. There's a ballerina. Y'all saw these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then I picked these up. It says made in Taiwan. A lot of them was broken. It looks like there was originally 5, but I grabbed the butterflies, even though they're broken, because I can make art or something with this. And some Christmas ornaments. Not much. Pretty disappointing for a 2-wall bin changeover, but at least I got a few things. Oh, and I also grabbed this fur pillow. It is so incredibly soft. I think this is going to go in Brandon's room. And this wind bed. I'm interested to open it up when I get home and see if it actually works. I feel like the kids will like that. All right, luckily nothing exciting has happened because I got to go. Ryan needs my car. So that's another excuse for me to get out of here. But I found some really good stuff for this very quick trip to the Goodwill Bins. Look at all these plates. They are changing out the big bins, but that's all been clothing. So I'm not even gonna look. I'm not gonna worry about it. I am heading out. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next one. If you're interested in the types of items that you see in my videos, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the home decor section, or you can come check me out on Whatnot. I have shows every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.